Hi, this is Cathy Skipper, and my presentation is entitled Yerba Mansa, Myth and the Dark Goddess. In this presentation, I want to develop my experience with Yerba Mansa as a herb for supporting and bringing into consciousness the dark goddess energy necessary, I feel, for healing in the world today. My aim is to lead you through my experience that weaves together the medicine of Yerba Mansa, the myth of La Llorona, and deep feminine psychology, through encountering the dark goddess in her multifaceted nature, remembering that she has as many expressions as there are beings in this world. I want to start by sharing a photo that you might find is a little odd, but it's a photo of me in the winter with my tool harvesting Yerba Mansa root, and you can see that I cut myself. And the blood was dripping onto the ground, and I realized I hadn't bought an offering, so this was a beautiful offering. It's symbolic of the work that I'm going to be explaining in this presentation, because Yerba Mansa has been my ally and guide for the last 7 years whilst I've been healing my maternal bloodline. In my work, I see illness as a spiritual inner imbalance of the psyche that can affect the individual, the community, and the culture. In my experience with my own deep healing inner journey and those I support in my practice, inner health can be restored by identifying old, inherited patterns and the shadow archetypes that we have internalized or that have remained unacceptable in the dominant patriarchal society we live in. My work is about bringing to consciousness and integrating these shadow aspects of both the individual and the collective psyche. Whilst these forces stay in the unconscious, they control us and prohibit change and healing. So Yerba Mansa came into my life as an ally.